Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and if you looking for PremiumPress theme for your WordPress website, then in this video I will guide you how you can purchase it from Bloggingify store and how we can deliver it to your own WordPress website. So let's get started. So I will provide you the direct product link in the description box. So just check the description link and you will redirect this type of product page. Okay, so here you can see some details about this product. So let me explain you. Uses for one domain, update validity, lifetime, auto update from your WordPress dashboard. Installation manually we will install, that means you have to share your website temporary access with us and we will install your any theme on your WordPress website in few minutes with our original license key. Theme you can choose anyone, because on PremiumPress you can see lots of themes. So if you need any special one, you can just ping me on WhatsApp. I will provide you that exact theme with original license, with original update, with original product. Okay, so if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now here you have to fill your billing information, that is your first name, last name, add other information too, and confirm your payment. After the payment confirmation, you will redact this type of thank you page, and here you can see a download button. So just click on it and you will receive our premium contact support. So send your website temporary access and please tell me which theme you need, so I will install the same theme on your WordPress website. That's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video and tutorial too. So if you have any doubt, you can do a comment in comment section. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.